Hey folks, today I'm gonna show you how easily turn this into this. The star of the Captain Marvel suit. Let's dive into it. Hey, I'm Raphael. I work in movies industry as a professional Steadicam operator, but I also have an unusual skill. I make awesome props for movies like this, with just a few pieces of cardboard and some easy tools, and I explain to you how to do this. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the star of the Captain Marvel suit, but hey, at any point during the video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I list all the tools that I've used, as well as some additional resources, and of course templates for all parts that I've built. Now, let's jump into the video. To start, I cut a piece of cardboard to make the base of the star. Using the templates that is in the description below, I reported the drawing on a piece of cardboard like this. And then I cut it. I made this mark to keep in mind the top of the piece. And I defined the middle like this. Afterward, I made a wall like that, and I cut a piece from it which is about 1 cm long. Using a steel ruler and a precision knife, I cut several pieces like that. Each piece are slightly different, so pay attention to follow the number order that is on the template in the description below. Try as much as possible to close the remaining openings between the pieces. And repeat that for all the pieces. Hey, remember, sharing is caring, so if you like this video, can you share this out to someone who will be interested about? And by the way, if you like this video, hit that like button, I would really appreciate it. Then erase all the marks on the piece. Afterward, with a pencil, I drew a line at about 4 mm from the side. Then I cut slightly the line with a precision knife, but pay attention not to go through entirely the layer. And I widen it with a small tool. Using wood glue and a small tool, I smooth all the angles. And I covered the whole craft with a mix of wood glue and water. I made 2 layers of it. The first one with an equal mix of wood glue and water, and the second one with twice as much wood glue as water. And the last step that I do on all of my craft was to cover it with 2 layers of varnish. I know, you're probably like, Raphael, this is maybe easy for you because you are used to it, but we are not. And you're wrong, all you have to do is practicing a little bit. Watch my auto tutorials, subscribe to my channel, and you'll be on your way. Thank you so much for watching, I do appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.